India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world, and LAPP is working at the heart of this economic success. LAPP India is a wholly owned subsidiary of LAPP Group, the leading supplier of integrated solutions and branded products in the field of cable and connection technology in India. Headquartered in Stuttgart, Germany, our success story started 60 years ago with the invention of the multi-core cable Flex by Mr. Oscar LAPP. Founded in 1957, LAPP has remained a family-owned company and has grown to become a global player with over 3,700 employees operating in 152 countries across the world. Realizing the potential of the Indian market, the LAPP Group set up a manufacturing facility in Bangalore in 1998. In Bangalore, we manufacture highly engineered cables to meet the increasingly complex requirements of the growing Indian market. In 2012, we inaugurated our second manufacturing facility in Bhopal, producing single-core wires for India's fast-expanding building sector. Now, the Bhopal factory also produces multi-core cables, cutting down delivery lead time to meet customer needs. Today, LAPP India is the largest operation outside of Germany, manufacturing 200,000 kilometers of cable in 2018, its length enough to surround the Earth 5 times. We are the first cable manufacturer in India to implement advanced planning optimization. The automatic sequencing of production ensures on-time delivery, predictable and reliable. Our customers are important to us, and so is the environment. As part of our commitment of caring for and protecting the environment, both our plants are RoHS certified. Our innovations define the industry standards. LAPP is a one-stop solution provider for all your electrotechnical requirements. We have over 40,000 products. Our 8 strong brands are Flex, Unitronic, Etherline, Hytronic, Epic, Skintop, Sylvene and Fleximark. In our fully fledged Innovation and Engineering Centre and state-of-the-art laboratory, we design, develop, manufacture and test products made in India for India. As a cable and technology expert, we established centres of excellence at reputed engineering institutes across India to promote innovation and encourage young minds towards research and development. To add value to our customers, we also offer Flex Connect, the customised cable assembly solutions, ranging from cables or custom servo assemblies to complex drag chain applications. Closer is better. We aim for proximity to markets and customers. Thanks to our multiple fulfillment centres, service points with Flex Connect, and a strong network of channel partners, our products are there where you need them. Our 24/7 online shopping portal makes ordering even easier at the click of a button. India's growth is fueled by key industry segments. LAPP products are globally certified and approved to meet the industry requirements. Trusted by India's leading organisations, LAPP is the cable and connection technology supplier of choice and reliable partner for the future. In 2018, we are serving over 7,000 customers with a track record of double-digit annual growth. That is why we keep investing in our manufacturing facilities at Bangalore and Bhopal. Thanks to the trust and collaboration of our customers, partners, employees and stakeholders, we are helping to contribute to the country's sustainable growth, laying the foundation for a better tomorrow. Together, reliably connecting India and the world.